Hi YouTube and welcome to another build showcase video. In this one we're making a natural leather backpack. We will be using these templates and a natural vegetable tan leather which has not been oiled and dyed. If you want to make a mini backpack like this yourself, there will be a full step-by-step video on the 20th of May. The PDF pattern, on the other hand, is already available on my Etsy page. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing as it will help this channel grow. First things first, of course, we need to mark and cut out a chunk of leather, then oil it. After, we apply chocolate color dye and oil it again. Now, time to cut all pieces out and prepare everything for further assembly and work. Now that everything is ready, we move on to the edges. Here, I use my rotary tool to sand, then bevel and add some color dye. Afterwards, we finish the pieces with toconol. Next, we move on to marking our hole lines, making the holes, and adding the zippers to all needed pieces. Technically, the backpack pieces are ready for assembly, so let's do just that. There'll be a lot of repetitive work here. Basically, mark hole lines, make holes, and attach needed pieces to another pieces. So nothing too complicated that needs to be explained here, just follow steps in the video and you will be just fine. Let's now move on to the straps of the backpack. Same procedure here. Using the templates, we oil, dye, oil, and cut out needed length straps. Then the edges, sand, bevel, dye, and finish with Tokonol again. I'm using an extra layer of material which will glue in between the straps to give some support and prevent the straps from stretching over time. After sandwiching the straps, you should get 5 in total, 2 longer, 2 shorter, and 1 handle strap. We then of course mark our hole lines, make them, and stitch up all sides. Afterwards, only thing left to do is to add the buckles, secure them, make holes for the buckles, and attach flaps to the bottom straps, which will be stitched to the bottom of the backpack. The build is challenging and does require a lot of skill, so time and patience is essential. And there you have it, a natural leather mini backpack. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on another one.